Hi there, welcome to the add-ons. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dynamic fields for Elementor Forms plugin. It helps you automatically populate Elementor Form fields with dynamic data such as URL, parameters, cookies, user meta, post meta, and more. Before we begin, make sure you have the plugin installed and activated on your website. You can download it from the link below the description. In the first section, we'll learn how to use URL parameters to automatically fill form fields. This is especially useful when you want to pass values through links. Let's start with a simple example. We'll create a field called referral code that automatically fills based on the value in the URL. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Dynamic Source, select URL parameters from the drop-down list. In the dynamic key box, type ref. Now click Publish and open your page in a new tab. In the address bar, add n ref equal abc123 at the end of your URL. Press enter and you'll see that the referral code field is automatically filled with the value abc123. Let's try another ref code. And that's it. The form field now automatically shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pulled directly from the URL. Now go to section 2. We'll learn how to use user meta as a dynamic source in your Elementor form. This feature allows you to automatically display information from the logged-in user, for example, their email address, username, or any custom meta field saved in WordPress. Let's see how it works. Here I've added a new field labeled email. Go to the Advanced tab. In the Dynamic Source drop-down, choose User Meta. For the dynamic key, type user email. This is the default WordPress meta key that stores its user email address. Now, update the page and preview it while you are logged in. As you can see, the form automatically fills in the logged-in user's email. In this example, is the add-ons. You can also use other WordPress default user meta keys like first name, last name, or any custom meta you've created for your users. Now, let's move on to another powerful feature, post meta. This option allows you to pull data stored inside any post or custom post type. For example, imagine you have an order post type that stores custom transactions. First, I'll add a custom field named Order ID to this post and set its value to ord 123. Now let's update and display that value inside our Elementor form. I'll add a new field labeled Order ID. Go to the Advanced tab. For Dynamic Source, select Post Meta. And for dynamic key, type the meta key name. In this case, is Order ID. Updating the page, let's take it on the front end. As you can see, The order ID field is automatically filled with the value or123 taken directly from the post method. Let's move on to another built-in data source in WordPress, the Options table. WordPress options store global settings for your entire site, such as the site title, tagline, admin email, or any custom values. In this example, I will show you how to display the site title dynamically inside your form. First, add a new field labeled Site Title. For dynamic source, choose Option. And for the dynamic key, type blog name. Update and preview it on the front end. As you can see, the field automatically shows the site title, for example, the others. Let's move on to the next feature, current date and time. This option allows you to automatically fill a field with the exact date and time when the form is loaded. For this example, I will add a new field to the form and label it Submission Time. For dynamic source, select current day and time. Now, add dynamic key. You can also customize the day and time format. Update the page and let's take it on. As you can see, the submission time field is automatically filled with the current date and time. You can also use cookies and shortcode features to give you even more flexibility to connect your Elementor forms. And that wraps up our tutorial on dynamic field for Elementor forms. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.